Hello friends, Ben from North Georgia Toyota here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Alright, so let's go ahead and get on to this adventure. So we're not doing a test drive Tuesday at this particular adventure. This one's going to be more of a compare and contrast of the best trucks that we have here on the lot here in North Georgia. Right behind me is the Toyota Tundra, and right over here is a Toyota Tacoma. So why don't you come with me? We'll compare and contrast. So come and join me. That is right, folks, the battle of the trucks. So on the left side is the Toyota Tundra, and on the right side, Toyota Tacoma. So let's go ahead and start out with the Tacoma first. And as you can see, compared to the two trucks, the Tacoma is slightly smaller than its counterpart, the Tundra, and the engine power of I-Force Max 2.4 cylinder, alongside with 8-speed automatic transmission, 17-inch alloy tires, and this guy could bring up to 21 miles per gallon combined, of 19 miles per gallon in city driving and 24 miles on the highway. At about 4.8 gallons of gas, you burn up about 100 miles. And right behind it, you got the tow hitch receiver, and you got the back of the bed here, all alongside with the hooks. Smaller bed, but you get the job done. Before we make our way to the front, let's look at the back seat and see what the back seat drivers will experience. Little back seats right here. You have little ones that need a booster or car seat attachment. You got those right here. And on the other side, got auxiliary power. Use one of those former cigarette lighters. Space for your water bottles and your cups. And a little extra cubby space on this side of the door as well, for more cups and perhaps a first aid kit. You'll make your way to the front for the front seat passenger. As you can see here, more cubby space and water bottle holder. Car effects. Little cubby space. Bottle holders. USB-C chargers and lightning charge. More auxiliary power right over here. Glove box with a little extra space. Touchscreen. And we'll make our way over here. And we'll make our way inside of the driver's side. I already showed these features up in the front over here. Tow haul effect. And the steering wheel with lane departure and radar cruise control. All that good stuff. Okay, we made our way inside. Let's go ahead and start this up. Got the touch screen right over here, the infotainment center right here, with a digital speedometer and all that good stuff. So my first test drive Tuesday video I did for the company was a Tacoma, and now that I'm just sitting back here for myself and trying to get more of a feel, because we're going to compare and contrast of if this car is right for you or right for anybody else. So I think when it comes to this, I think if you have like just a married and no kids or one kid, perfect size car for when it comes to the amount of people that would ride with you in the Tacoma. But it gets the job done. You have whatever you need to do to have a truck. Enough room. I can move my arm across and touch the other end, basically. Good comparison here. All right, so let's go ahead and give this a little drive around the dealership. All right, we got that out of the way with the Tacoma. Let's make our way over to the Tundra. And as I can see here, compared to its counterpart, the Tundra is a lot bigger. This baby has an i4 Max engine of twin turbocharged V6, alongside with 20 miles to the gallon, 18 in the city, 23 in the highway, 18-inch alloy wheels, a tow hitch available. Go with the bed. And compared to its tailgate, this has a little more of a slower fall. The bed is just slightly bigger compared to the Tacoma, alongside with some hooks available. And before we head into the interior part, I failed to mention too, it's 10-speed automatic transmission as well. Let's go ahead and make our way to the back seat and see what the features offer in the inside. Seems like you got a lot more elbow room, a little more leg room you can create in here compared to the Tacoma. You got the attachments, they're kind of hidden underneath the seat belt right here, underneath the seat, but you got the attachments for your car seat or your booster. USB-C chargers right over here. Cup holders and bottle holders. A little more cubby space available right here. And right in the inside, you got little environmental vents right here, backseat pockets, and of course even extra cubby space on the side doors. We'll make our way into the front seat. See some more cubby space in the doors. Glove box. See up here in the cockpit, got some more space down here. Cup holders, drive modes, touchscreen, and compared to the Tacoma, when it came to the environmental controls, this has more switch control. That one has a turning control over there. Just compare and contrast. USB charger, and also some lightning chargers as well, which will be down here. There's your USB-Cs. Let's go up in the front seat right here. As you can see, already featured this earlier when we walked in at the front. The touchscreen, infotainment center, and this is a normal speedometer right here. All the safety features that you need with radar cruise control. Now being in here, it is really roomy in here. Like, I have plenty of leg room. I didn't really need to adjust the seat to give leg room in the back seats over here. And when it comes to reaching over to the other side for the driver, like, I could basically make it in the Tacoma, but compared to this, it is still plenty of space. I got a lot more elbow room when it comes to this right here. So why don't we go ahead and give this a little spin around the dealership. Go ahead, turn it on. Little crank with it. Really cool graphic of the Toyota Tundra. You got your touchscreen activated. And that, my friends, ends today's adventure in Dalton, Georgia at North Georgia Toyota dealership. I hope you guys enjoyed the compare and contrast video of the Tacoma and the Tundra trucks that we have here at the dealership. So, my thoughts about the two, comparing and contrasting of what the needs are, or what you're looking for. If you're looking for something a little smaller, a little more fuel efficient, especially if you don't have like the biggest family or you don't have that many pets or no pets, you're single or married, no kids, then I highly suggest the Tacoma, especially if it's just a truck that you're looking for to get the job done. But if you're looking for something more spacious, more roomy, more features inside the vehicle to get your charging devices in, you're bringing your whole family with you, going on road trips, and you need that extra space to pack up things, then I would say that the Tundra is definitely for you. And of course, there might be some features that I may have missed when it came to this video, so I'm going to leave the specs and the features that you need to know from the Toyota website in the description below. So while you're doing that, like I said earlier, please subscribe to the channel, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and all that good stuff there too, for some future adventures of Test Drive Tuesdays, our podcast, and some future body shop content as well. So be subscribed and be ready. And in case you missed anything else, just catch up on our Test Drive Tuesdays. We brought it back from years ago. It's been rebooted, and we're already on episode 4 or 5. I kind of forget, but hey, we need your viewership. We need you to support and join us on our journey as North Georgia Toyota is making a comeback on YouTube and all the good stuff right there. I'll see you guys in the next one. And drive safe, everybody.